Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab M8, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this pop-up with two options, with scrolling screenshot and share option, and after a moment it will just disappear. So later on you can find that screenshot in your photos, and from here you can navigate to library, screenshots, and here you'll see exclusively screenshots that I have captured over the time. So you can see this is the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.